up, Breville community? I'm Kevin Curry, aka FitMenCook, and I've got a banger for you today. We're making a Carrot-Miso Ginger Chicken Salad. I know you're gonna love it. Grab that Breville Plus app and let's cook. The first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna fill a pot of water with lukewarm water, and we're gonna stick our turbo right on the inside of this. So we're gonna prep the chicken. We're gonna add in some neutral oil, so just a little bit of salt, and if you want to, if you're feeling fancy, a little bit of pepper as well. Now, we're going to use the sides of our pot to help us to seal the bag. Just seal it just like this. And I've got mine ready to go. Get the settings in there and just press play and we're set. Now, let's move on to the star of the dish, which is the dressing. Chopping up some carrots here, and you don't have to chop them up really finely because we are using the Super Q. In go the carrots. So we've got some garlic, some ginger, some miso. You gotta have the miso. This is the umami factor. Some agave, some more umami with the sesame oil, some turmeric, a little bit of water, and we need a neutral oil. And then I've got here some light mayo. This is some tamari or some low sodium soy sauce. We're gonna squeeze in some fresh lime. And then right here, we've got a little bit of rice vinegar. Pop the top and onto our Super Q it goes. Tell, this is exactly what I want. It's perfect. Okay, one thing my mom always taught me to do was clean as I go along. So I'm gonna clean this area up and then we're gonna get to the chopping. Here we have some green cabbage, we've got some red cabbage or some purple cabbage, depending on where you're from, some red bell pepper and some cucumber. And each of these is going to be diced up here in the Paradise 9 with a different setting for each one. So we're gonna set our first one to 2. And what this does is this adjusts the thickness of the slice. All right, I'm gonna blow your minds right now, y'all. I'm gonna blow your mind. This is the most therapeutic, most amazing thing you're ever gonna see. Press play. Look at that. Crank it up, and it stops. Let's do one more. And come on, that's therapeutic. Next, we're gonna do the purple one. We're gonna keep our setting here at 2 because we're still doing cabbage. There we go. And gonna add this to our salad bowl. Now for this one, we're gonna change the setting. This one's gonna be on 3. And place in our bell peppers. It's so fast. And bell pepper's done. We're gonna adjust this now to 1 for the cucumber. I'm telling y'all, it's just that easy. And I can't tell you, before, I would sit up and I would slice every single veggie. And then they showed me how to do it with this and I'm like, Kevin, you have not been operating efficiently. They just upgraded my life. I just upgraded you. You're welcome. Okay, let's wrap up this recipe. The chicken is ready. So once this is all shredded up, we're gonna toss everything together and bring this salad to your dinner table. Let's get all of our veggies that we just worked so hard to chop up, y'all. Remember, they don't need to know the truth about how we made it. They just need to know we did all of this, okay? Add in our chicken, and this is why you don't wanna over-season. A lot of people will say, oh, Kev, you gotta put some more seasoning on the chicken. The chicken is already chickening. It's good, it's got salt and pepper on there, but you don't wanna compete with this amazing dressing. Can we do this in slow motion just make it just look really nice and just sexy the way it is? Just, oh, look at that. Can we cue some good music too? You know you could drop salad like that, did you? I got you. All right, now, for the personality of the salad, let's pour in our Carrot-Miso ginger dressing. Toss everything together and look how colorful this is. Come on. You've never seen a chicken salad this amazingly colorful. Now, the last part, you're gonna add in some cilantro. Gonna just toss a little bit in, and then we're gonna use the rest for garnish. Now let's start to plate. Just looks so vibrant, healthy. And then the crunch factor. I love to put in toasted pepitas, and just like that, we've got Carrot-Miso Ginger Chicken Salad made with the Breville Plus app.